U advisor katanat puli puthi ka sarkar jala u Bah Shangpliang hakatsngi baar ulaong ba ka kynram ka badan menta bat ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association MCTA halor ka jingpentrai kam ya ka National Education Policy NEP ka syang ha Vice Chancellor jong ka Northeastern Hill University NEHU u Professor Bah Shangpliang ba unsyem ki sin jam ban weng bat penkut no kani ka jingbam poisha ka jingya menjor hapdeng UVC bat ka MCTA ka syang ha UVC ba unweng ya kani ka jing ha ka ba ngalayo sngauru bana ka liang UVC ulakhot yaki sya ka jing yakran penpau u Bah Shangpliang Syllad pathai khubor ngin ha ka jing start jong u Vice Chancellor bat nga kermen ba unla banweng yakini ki jing ula ong shu la ban kedau bana ka liang ka MCTA kala kentu ya UVC ka NEHU ba udai ban weng no ya ka jing pentip ka badan jing deko ya ka balami ha ka khat ar tarik unaitung khnang ban la ban penkut no ya ka ni ka kynram ka bayadai bat ka NEP na ka liang u advisor ka sarkar jala ulayang halor ka nongrem ka basai halor ka mat ka bayadai bat ka NEP Pilayo ngau na menteri rangba bat menteri katanat puli puthi ka jala ba on pentrai kam ya ka education policy ha ka jala menta kiladon shibun ki college ki balas dang pentrai kam ya ka NEP menta ki college sarkar jengiru ken sedang ban pentrai kam bat ka jingpen khre ya ka ni kala ya chakmat ong shu u advisor ka sarkar Kumtaru ulaong ba kaway hadian kaway ka jing pentrai kam ya kani ka policy kan sedang namar kidang don shibun ki ya ki badang day ban pendam ngidai ban kentiu bat penbiang ya ki jaka pulie katkom ki jing don kam jong ka NEP ngi hapru ban thung shu ya ki nong hikai kumta kini ki day ki badon kam ban penya chakman bat ba ya kani ka policy hi baro kaway hab ban pentrai kam shakmat kumba kadai ban long ula ong shu.
Implementation of policy, as you all know, it's already started in the college level. Okay, now various colleges have also already taken up the implementation of the new policy. Now likewise, now these will also come down even at the school level, secondary level, high secondary level. So now the preparation have already started. Review committee is such a committee which will go into the changes that need to be brought in certain books. You know, maybe we would like to change certain or add on certain chapters or add on certain topics in certain subjects, be it history, be it geography, be it science and so on. Therefore, we would like this textbook committee to go into this depth to see that the books that our children study should also have lot of local contents. When I say local contents, I mean that our children of the state should know the history of Meghalaya, should know geography of Meghalaya, should know many things about Meghalaya, which perhaps books that have been given to the children now are just brought from outside and they have lot of other contents but not much of about Meghalaya. So therefore, we need to bring certain changes in certain books at the school level. The textbook committee is going to sit. It is going to be notified. So we will be giving some deadline to the committee, and let's wait for the recommendations of the committee. Government has made its stand very clear. Government had already made its stand very clear. You have heard from the Honorable Chief Minister, you have heard from the Honorable Education Minister that the education policy will be introduced in the state. Now, there are many colleges who have already started with the new policy. Now, our government colleges will also start, like I said some time back, that we are preparing now. So the stage of preparation has started. So therefore, one after another, this such implementation of the policy will begin, because there are many things are to be done. We have to upgrade our infrastructure. We have to employ more teachers. So these things are being taken into account, and accordingly, this whole policy will be implemented in letter and spirit.
When you leave it to the VC to end this kind of
It is not the question of the VC. See, the VC has his role to play. The government made its stand very clear about the policy. So the impasse between the VC and the MCTA, it is for the VC to clear it. So for which I have heard that the VC has invited the MCTA for talks. So let us wait for that.